Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change a headlight bulb on a 2007 Pontiac Vibe. So we're just going to go right behind the headlight lens in front of the washer fluid fill up. And here's your plug right here. You're just going to pull on it. And then there's this rubber gasket. And all you're going to do is just take it and pull on it. That will reveal your headlight. And there's this little spring clip here. You're gonna push it towards the front of the vehicle and then down and then release and it comes out. And I'll replace this later because it's easier with two hands. So I'll just show you with the one hand I got going here. If you look at it, there's three prongs on it. You want these two prongs at the bottom with this flat spot facing the bottom of the vehicle and the single prong facing up, because there are grooves in there. Place it in. Push towards the front of the vehicle and down again and release, and it's locked. And then you're going to grab your rubber gasket again and then just push it back on. Once it's on, grab your plug, and there's three. You should have one on either side and one on top if you've installed it correctly. Clip it in, test your lights when you're done. If it works, you're all good. That's all there is to it. Hopefully this was helpful, and I apologize for the wind, but it's not a very nice day. Please like and subscribe.